I can tell that was a full swing.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Same shot. Same identical shot. Little draw.
And the bitch is going to run like a son.
Yeah.
All right, target line is the 250 mark.